Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying your TV platform and opening the Apps or Applications menu. This matters because removal steps differ. Once done, navigate directly to the YouTube app entry and select it. Make sure to note if the app shows uninstall, disable, or remove updates. Each option leads to a different next step. You should also check for a linked accounts or logout choice. Signing out prevents the app from restoring personalized content after removal. You now execute the core removal actions. If the TV offers uninstall, choose it and confirm to delete the app and its data. If only disable is available, first clear data and clear cache to erase credentials, then force stop and disable the app to prevent relaunch. Next, go to Accounts and Settings and remove your Google or vendor account so the app won't relink. Make sure to also turn off automatic updates for system apps to avoid automatic reinstallations. You finish by verifying the app is gone and testing that YouTube cannot open. If it still appears, perform a factory reset only after backing up settings, because that reliably removes pre-installed links. Alternatively, block access using your router's parental controls or DNS filtering to stop the service. If removal fails, reboot the TV, recheck accounts and app permissions, and try clearing system updates for the YouTube app. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.